Today's featured car of the day is a 1958 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe with the 348 engine with the tri-power, the 3 two-barrel carburetors. And this one I filmed at a car show in Weatherford, Oklahoma. And I don't know if it won an award or not, but it should have, because it was definitely the nicest 1950s car there at the show. And it was definitely an eye catcher with a nice color. But as far as 1958, it was the 50th year of business for GM, since they started in 1908. And every model line, the Cadillac, Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Chevrolet all had a special model for that year. And the Impala, that was the first year for the Impala. And it actually had a little bit longer wheelbase than the regular Bel Air or Del Rey or Biscayne, any of the other ones that shared that. Plus, they had the 3 tail lights. The other ones all had 2, and the station wagon only had 1 tail light. And it was a 1-year only model, which was different. Really set it apart from the other ones. Big departure from the 57 Chevy, that's for sure. And the 59 was even a bigger departure going the other way. But this one was longer than the 57. Longer, lower, wider was their theme that they had for 1958. And also on 58, that was the first year that they went to the X frame, and they abandoned the perimeter type frame that they had up until that time. But it was still full frame, but it was just the X pattern as opposed to the perimeter frame. And supposedly it's made it a little bit stronger, but they also had the coil spring suspension replace the rear leaf springs on the 58. And they had an air ride, optional air ride for the 58s as well. Now this one has, like I said, it has the 348 cubic inch V8, which was the biggest engine you can get in 1958. Had the 3 two-barrels. I don't know if it was the Police Interceptor motor, which had 315 horsepower, or the 280 horsepower one. But either way, they were pretty rare. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1958 Chevrolet Impala 2-door sport coupe with the 348 engine with the tri-power. But if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.